How HQR technology works, products and product development. Over the past 70 years, the number of devices emitting electromagnetic fields, EMF, has increased significantly. Think of mobile phones, computers, Wi-Fi, and 3G, 4G, and 5G towers. Even household appliances like microwaves, televisions, LED lights, and more emit EMF radiation. Just as air pollution can harm the climate, the rise of EMF-emitting devices has led to what we call electrosmog, a form of electromagnetic pollution. Various studies suggest that EMF can have harmful effects. Some individuals are even sensitive to EMF and develop symptoms similar to an allergy. The human body is a complex network of cells that communicate with each other. Did you know that every cell, organ, protein, and molecule in your body has a specific frequency? This communication happens through resonance and specialized microchannels called gap junctions, which connect cells. Resonance plays a crucial role by amplifying this communication and making biological processes more efficient. EMF and resonance are interconnected and can influence one another. Our body also generates its own electromagnetic fields. For example, the heart produces a powerful field, and the brain emits frequency bands linked to states like sleep, alertness, anxiety, and other mental conditions. Increasing research shows a connection between EMF radiation and water. Scientists have discovered that the water in our bodies is structured in a healthy state. This structured water may act as a physiological communication network within the body. The structure becomes visible in patterns like hexagonal shapes found in ice crystals. Interestingly, this water structure appears to be highly sensitive to EMF radiation. The human body can act as an antenna for electromagnetic radiation. Since the body is largely made up of water and conducts electricity well, touching an antenna can amplify radio signals. This is known as capacitive coupling, where your body absorbs EMF signals from the environment and acts as a passive amplifier for weak EMF signals. From the preceding, it's clear that various EMF systems operate at different levels within our body. It's hard to imagine that powerful or prolonged external EMF exposure would have no effect on these subtle EMF mechanisms that fulfill specific functions in our body. Renowned institutes like the Max Planck Institute study the role of resonance in cell communication. Some research even suggests that specific frequencies can help treat conditions like anxiety, depression, and epilepsy. Additionally, Novocure has developed a method to treat cancer using EMF technology. Experiments conducted primarily on cells involving over 300 different frequencies have shown that there are harmonic and disharmonic frequencies. Harmonic frequencies have a positive effect on cell development, while disharmonic frequencies negatively affect it. These simulations demonstrate how different frequencies can create chaotic or coherent patterns in water. Strong and disharmonic EMF frequencies can disrupt the healthy water structure in the body, while harmonic frequencies support and enhance it. Our expertise. We specialize in frequencies and resonance and have developed a revolutionary technology, Harmonic Quantum Resonance Technology, or HQR technology for short. This patented technology brings systems into balance using harmonic frequencies, allowing them to function optimally. It is integrated into all our current and future products. We have also developed a voice analysis method scientifically validated at the University of Amsterdam. This advanced analysis can provide valuable insights into behavior, emotions, motivation, and other personal characteristics within minutes. One of our first innovations is the HQR Card, specifically designed to neutralize the negative effects of EMF. The HQR Card supports the healthy water structure in the body and provides 24/7 protection against disruptive EMF radiation. German scientist Professor Bernd Krupplin developed a method to demonstrate the subtle effects of EMF on water crystallization. We use this technique to test the effectiveness of the HQR Card. The results? Clear effects on the structure of water crystals. Here you can see microscopic images taken using dark field microscopy. 8 different water samples were tested, all showing significant effects from the HQR card on water crystallization. The top row shows the 8 different mineral water samples without the HQR card. The bottom row reveals the HQR card's effects on water crystallization. Numerous testimonials indicate that using the HQR card improves sleep, promotes relaxation, and enhances focus. People who consider themselves highly sensitive to EMF radiation report significant benefits from the HQR card. Interestingly, the card has also proven highly effective for horses, which are known for their extreme sensitivity to EMF. Other current HQR-developed products. In addition to the EMF HQR Technology card, we have developed the following products. KIPET, a small wearable 24-hour HQR solution specially designed for children and small pets. The HQR Harmonizer. The HQR Harmonizer improves the energetic quality of your living space with 12 built-in resonators emitting harmonic frequencies. Vitalion. The Vitalion is a wearable medallion with 6 selective frequencies, specifically designed to reduce sugar cravings. Users report increased vitality. Its name reflects this purpose. Relief Gel. It's widely known that water is highly receptive to information. Our Relief Gel is a completely new concept, a gel composed of over 99% water infused with various relief frequencies using HQR technology. Emotion Tuning Ornaments. Using principles of geobiology, we've significantly enhanced the power of geometric shapes with embedded HQR tuning resonators. These ornaments carry unique emotional qualities and promote attributes such as joy, self-empowerment, balance, energy, love, calmness, and harmony. Frequencies and resonance can harmonize emotions, much like how music influences mood. What mood do you need today? And this is just the beginning. HQR, Harmonic Quantum Resonance Technology. This was how HQR technology works. Products and product development. Curious to learn more? Visit our website for deeper insights and exclusive content. Thank you for watching.